I really want to film this one before I get a new bike, which a new vlog is gonna come out. So yeah, this is my 2017 bike check. Okay, so let's start from top to bottom. It's a female stranger hub symbol. It's Ignite colorway with a G Sport birdcage rim. This birdcage rim is light and strong. And then these spokes, BSD spokes, strong as sec. And then a Vans Colt tire. These things are beasts. So you want new tires, get these. So yeah. And then I have my stock Fit by Colt forks. These things are strong. I never had a problem with them. They're not even bent yet, which is pretty good. And then I have my stock headset, which it never had made a noise, so it's pretty good. And I never had problems with it either. And then also my stock stem is strong as F, and I never had a problem with it. And then I have my 4-piece Sabrosa bars, which I just got last Christmas, so it's like a year with these bars. And these are strong as heck and light as heck, and you could throw badass bars with these. Then over there I have a Envy grip, scooter grip, and then I have an ODI grip over here. So yeah. And then let's go with my frame. It's a Fit by Colt long one Morgan long signature frame. Signature complete with a Colt pedal and an Odyssey pedal. Why I don't have two Odyssey pedals is because I broke my pedal from yesterday. I want to insert the clip. So yeah, that was the clip. And then also I ride a stock sprocket. This is strong. I never had a problem with it. I had like almost for a year and like 3 months. And then I had this bottom bracket, a Colt bottom bracket. I greased it like one time each 5 months. And it doesn't even make a noise, so these are pretty good bottom brackets. Then I have a Stranger Preem happening shadow chain, and this has never broken on me. This is pretty strong, let me tell you that. Then over here for my back rim, I have Odyssey Path tires. These are like also the best tires you could get. And then over here I have Colony rim with spokes. I don't know what brand this is. With a Colony Wasp female. And also over here I have a stock Fit by Colt cranks, and these are strong as heck. I never had a problem with them either. So yeah, that's pretty much it on my bike check. I'll do a montage of it because I gotta appreciate this beauty that has lasted me for a year. So yeah, guys. I got that